Hey guys, Coach Salome here, and today we're going to do a micro-Mediterranean salad. Okay, so you're going to need cucumbers. You're going to need 24 ounces of cucumbers. You're going to need grape tomatoes, chickpeas or garbanzo peas, just chickpeas is better, virgin extra or olive oil, olives, fresh basil leaves, and 12 eggs that we're gonna hard boil. So the first thing you're gonna do is that you're gonna put the eggs to hard boil, every single one of them. Try not to break them, but it's really, really hard not to break them. So while the eggs are being hard boiled, what we're gonna do is that we're gonna chop up the cucumbers and the tomatoes and the fresh basil so that everything's ready when the eggs are hard boiled. After you have washed your cucumbers, make sure you cut off the ends of the cucumbers first. Put that aside. And then all we're gonna do is that we're gonna cut slices of the cucumbers one by one and then put them in the little container that we have for our salad. If you want to cut it in cubes too, that's completely fine. It's completely up to you. It's your salad. You do whatever you want. So if you want to cut your cucumbers in slices or cubes, it really doesn't matter. Now after we've washed our little cherry tomatoes, we're gonna make sure that we cut them long and then side to side so that we get little cubes out of it and it's nice and cute to put in our salad. But like I said earlier, if you want to cut it another way, that's completely fine. It is your salad. Now go ahead and cut out the basil leaves and set that aside for later as toppings. After you have drained and rinsed your chickpeas, put them into the salad and you'll be good to go. Make sure that you mix it all together, that it's even everywhere, even though there's more green than any other color really. Okay, so now that we chopped up everything, we put everything in the bowl, mix it all up, and we made sure that everything is rinsed, and we hard boiled the eggs, peeled it out and everything. We're gonna take the yolk out of it because the yolk is not that good for you, and we're gonna put it aside for every single one of them if you can. This was perfect, but this was not as perfect. If you have another way of taking the yolk out, you guys let me know. And then what we're gonna do is that we're gonna chop up the egg whites. However you want to chop them up. I like little pieces. Guys, don't worry if there's some egg yolk. It's not that big of a deal. And then we're going to do that for all 12 eggs and put it in the salad. Okay, so now that you put everything in, this is the tricky part. It will get messy, so you kind of have to be careful or get a bigger container. I don't have that. And you just have to mix it all together from the bottom to the top. And there you go. It's already getting messy. I need to get a bigger container. That's what's going on. You guys get the point, right? You just have to get it all together, mixed in. Last step before you serve, sprinkle some olives on it. If you like green olives, you can sprinkle green olives. I just feel like black olives taste better in the salad. So, sprinkle some of that, however much you want. And then sprinkle the basil that we already cut up. Try to make it look pretty. That's what I try to do. And then, as a sauce, you can either make your own vinaigrette with mustard, olive oil, and vinegar. Or you can just put olive oil. I'd rather do that. It's a lot healthier than all the weird ingredients that we put in our body. And just sprinkle it everywhere. Just 2 tablespoons. And there you have it. A perfect salad for a summer lunch.